Hey everybody, I wanted to show you our DIY dirt cheap chicken brooder. Brought to you by, no, it's really not brought to you by Big HD. But anyways, so what we did is we took 3 of our moving boxes. We moved in a few months ago. We have these large boxes from one of these big box stores. We took 3 of them, and what we did with 2 of them is we just took away the seam, right? You open it up, you can see the seam on the inside, and we just ripped it off. And then we overlapped them a little bit, like this, and then we took a 3rd box and placed it in on the bottom. And look at that, 3 boxes. They probably cost, I don't know, less than $2 each, so $6 worth of boxes, and you got this huge brooder box. I want to say it was about 30 by 44 inches. And then 22 inches tall, but look at that. Tons of space in there. Tons of space, but dirt cheap. You can do it. Anybody can do it. Good luck.